Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the fluid mechanics second unit number 3 part A, that is fluid flow in open channels. In that today we are going to see the problem related to the determine the dimensions of a trapezoidal section of an open channel. Okay? So the problem statement is determine the dimensions of a most economical trapezoidal section of an open channel to supply a discharge of 12 meter cube per second with a slope of 1 in 2500. Assume side slope of 1:1 for the channel section. Okay? In examination, this kind of question will be asked for 4 to 6 marks. Okay? So let's start with the solution. First of all, we will write what is given in the problem statement. We write here given data. In problem statement, they are given as slope, that is m/1, which is equal to 1:1. Bed slope is nothing but which is denoted by capital S. So we write here bed slope S is equal to 1:2500. Discharge is also given, which is denoted as capital Q, 12 meter cube per second. Now we have to find B and Y, that is dimensions of the most economical trapezoidal section. So we write here to find B and Y. These are the dimensions of trapezoidal section. For more understanding, we draw the diagram for the trapezoidal section. M/1. This is the total depth of this channel section. This is the My. This is our water level. This is the width of this trapezoidal channel section. Okay, this is the diagram which shows the all details of dimensions. Okay, this is the width, this is the sloping portion, this is the depth, that is we denote it as small y. Okay, in problem we assume the Manning's constant, that is n is equal to 0.016. So we'll write here assume Manning's constant that is n is equal to 0.016. Okay, for most economical trapezoidal section there is a formula for calculating B is B plus 2my upon 2, which is equal to 1 plus under root m square into y. Okay, so we put the values in this equation. B plus 2, m is nothing but 1 into y divided by 2, which is equal to under root 1 plus 1 square into y. So hence we get b plus 2y, which is equal to 2 into under root 2 into y. So finally b is equal to 2 into under root 2 into y minus 2y. So b is equal to 0.82 y. This is our equation number 1. Okay. In this equation we get b is equal to 0.82 y. After that we have to calculate the area of a section A, which is given by, we write here, area of a section that is capital A, which is given by b plus my into y. So we put the values again. B is nothing but 0.82 y plus m is 1, so 1 into y, bracket complete, into y. So after solving this equation we get 1.82 into y square. This is our equation number 2. So next we have to calculate the discharge by Manning's equation. Okay. So in problem statement they given the discharge that is equal to 12 meter cube per second. So we write here hydraulic mean depth which is nothing but, we denote it as capital R y by 2. Okay. So formula for calculating discharge is discharge by Manning's equation Q is equal to A into V. This is the basic formula for calculating discharge. Okay. So A into V is given by 1 upon N R raised to 2 by 3 and S raised to 1 half. Okay, this is the value for V, that is mean velocity. So the final equation is Q is equal to A into 1 upon N into R raised to 2 by 3 S raised to 1 half. So we put the values in this equation. A is nothing but equation number 2, that is 1.82 y square into 1 upon N is assumed, which is equal to 0.016. R is nothing but y by 2 here raised to 2 by 3 into S is nothing but the given in the problem statement, that is 1 as to 2500 raised to 1 by 2. Okay, we equate this, and discharge is nothing but 12 meter cube per second. So we get 1.433 y raised to 8 by 3. After equating this equation we get y is equal to 12 divided by 1.433 raised to 3 by 8, inverse of this value. Okay, after solving we get the value 2.219 meter, which is nothing but the y. Okay, so put this value of y in equation number 1. So we write here, put this value in equation number 1. Our equation number 1 is b is equal to 0.82 into y. So we write here 0.82 into y is nothing but 2.219 meter. So we get b is equal to 1.82 meter. Here the width of the trapezoidal section. Okay, y is equal to 2.219 meter, that is depth of the trapezoidal channel section, and b is the width, that is 1.82 meter width of this trapezoidal channel section. So finally we write here, for most economical section, b is equal to 1.82 meter and y is equal to 2.22 meter. This is our answer. Okay, so from first we will see again what we calculated. Okay, first of all we write the given data. In that they are given bed slope, discharge, and we have to find the b and y, that is dimensions of the economical trapezoidal section. Okay, so we draw the diagram for more understanding. We assume the Manning's constant here, that is 0.016. After that, for most economical trapezoidal section, there is a formula, that is b plus 2my divided by 2, which is equal to in under root 1 plus m square into y. So after putting the values in this equation, we get b is equal to 0.82y. This is our equation number 1. Now moving ahead, we calculate the area of section, which is given by formula b plus my into y. Okay, we put here the value for b, that is we calculated in previous equation 0.82y plus y into y. After solving this equation, we get area of the section is 1.82y square, which is our equation number 2. So we assume here hydraulic mean depth, that is equal to y by 2. Okay, so discharge by Manning's equation is given by q is equal to ab. So we write this equation in detail, that is a into 1 upon n r raised to 2 by 3 and s raised to 1 up. After putting all these value in equation, we get y is equal to 2.219 meter. So putting this value for y in equation number 1, we get b is equal to 1.82 meter. So our final dimensions for the most economical channel section are b is equal to 1.82 meter and y is equal to 2.2 meter. Thank you.